Hello YouTubers, I purchased an rotary tool. The name is WEN, how you call it, WEN, from Amazon. So I would like to share my experience, my trusty Japanese knife. So we will see how it's look like. I had another one, another rotary tool, Dremel. So we will see how is it compared to Dremel. Package is, yeah, packages look like okay. So the most important thing is how is the inside of this package. Oh, it have a case too. This is paid. This is the model number on Amazon. You can search it. I paid 35 Canadian dollar and plus tax. So this is the box itself. Carry case, very nice carry case. The quality is not cheap on this one. So let me see what is. It says 7.2 volts lithium ion battery, 900 milliampere. So not too bad. Speed 5,000 up to 25,000 RPM. It have LED too. Interesting. I will say that this one is less noisy than Dremel. Here's lock button. You can, okay, I think probably you can use Dremel accessories. So tools inside, not that much, but for $35 for me was most important thing, the device itself. But you have some 24 pieces or something totally on this purchase, so it's not that bad. Normally I use the Dremel accessories, so this one I gonna use, but I'm more comfortable with Dremel accessories in future. But the carry case is very nice that you can put everything inside. And here is the charger. And here is the charging cloth. One more time. um, the device itself is not heavy, so you can use it for small thing that you need, for example, for uh, chips on your car that start to rusting, so you need to something some devices like this that you can remove the rust, the small rusts, or maybe for engraving tool is this is a little bit too big, depend on which engraving you're looking for. But overall I was surprised that this is not cheap build, so this is not cheap quality. I'm not paid by anyone, so I paid it by myself. I would like to share my experience with you guys. I didn't see anybody unboxed this one, so I didn't know how it look like. So I would share my experience with you guys. Maybe some other people they're looking for how is looking and how the quality and how is the build quality. So therefore I made this video. Thumbs up and subscribe if you like my video. Thank you. Have a good one.